Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question, we have given a hoop that rolls on a horizontal ground without slipping with a linear speed of v. We have to find the speed of a particle p on the circumference of this hoop at an angle of theta. So first of all, I am drawing the given diagram for this question. So this is our hoop and it rolls on this surface. And there is a point p. At this there is a particle. Now we have to find the speed of this particle. It is an angle of theta from this vertical, and this is the center of this hoop, and it moves with a linear speed of v. Now this can be assumed as a pure rotation about point of contact, that is point O. This is our point of contact. So we can say that at point of contact, due to pure rotation, this speed v is equals to r omega. At this point there are two types of velocity. One is this linear velocity due to this, that is in forward direction v, and one is due to the rotation of this hoop in this direction. There is a velocity that is r omega. So at point of contact there is no slipping. So because of no slipping, these two velocities will equal. So this is v is equals to r omega, or I can say from here omega is equals to v by r. Now speed of p will be, that is given by vp is equals to, this is op into omega. Op is the distance between these 2 points. This is our op, and this is the speed of this particle. So we can say that this will be comes out to be 2r into sine theta by 2 into omega, or we can say this is 2 into r omega into sine theta by 2. Now put the value of r omega here. So this will comes out to be 2v into sine theta by 2. So this is the speed of the particle at point p, and this is our answer for this given question. So we can say that for that correct option is A. Thank you.